Hello everyone. Quick video here on how to replace your band for your Apple Watch. This is the first Apple Watch I've ever owned and I was having a hard time replacing it. So I started running in the mornings and this band gets pretty sweaty. So I just need to let it dry out. So what I decided to do is buy extra bands that I can replace. I got this pack on Amazon for under $7. I'll leave the link below for anyone who is interested in getting some. This is the one that came with the Apple Watch, and this band right here is $100 plus tax. I know they have other ones that are a little nicer and those are about $200, but if you're just looking for something to put on after a run because this gets sweaty, this is a good alternative. And the way you replace the band is there is a little button in the back here. Press it and then slide it. You can slide it in any direction. Slides right off. Push the button again. Release. Once you feel a release, let go of the button, comes right off. And then to replace it, every one of these has a little divot. This one has it right here. The Apple Watch one actually looks a little different, but still has little divots right there. So you want to make sure those are facing the bottom of the watch. Slide it in, you'll hear a click. There you go. And this can slide in any direction. It's not one way. Slide it and it's in there. That's it. That's how you place the band on the Apple Watches. Hope this helps anyone who's having the same problems that I was having. Good luck.